Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how creatine helps build muscle. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound, primarily stored in your muscle cells. Its main role is to help your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. By supplementing with creatine, you can significantly increase these stores, preparing your muscles for more demanding workouts and ultimately, greater growth. So, how does it work? Creatine helps regenerate adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is your body's primary energy currency for short, explosive movements. More ATP means you can perform more repetitions and lift heavier weights during your workouts. This enhanced performance directly translates to greater muscle stimulation, leading to increased muscle protein synthesis and, over time, more muscle mass. The benefits of creatine are well documented, including significant increases in muscle mass and strength. For optimal results, a common approach involves a loading phase of about 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days, followed by a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily. Remember, consistent use, combined with a solid resistance training program, is key to seeing the best gains. To truly maximize your muscle building potential with creatine, remember to stay well hydrated, aiming for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Also, ensure you're combining your creatine supplementation with a balanced, protein-rich diet and a consistent resistance training program. For other great deals and to make your meal prep easier, check out the link in the description below. Keep pushing towards your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.